A beehive hidden inside a small cat house in the middle of a busy residential complex. With people and pets nearby and the notoriously defensive Scutellata bees inside, I have to be extra careful. This is the kind of removal where one wrong move could cause chaos. But with my systematic approach, I'll be able to relocate 100% of these bees safely. Okay, working alone tonight. Lady called me. She looks after some feral cats. You can see here is a little house, and here's the house we're going to work on. So the bees are inside this little wooden structure. They've been going in and out here. I've been watching them. There's a couple going in now. The key to success: a well-planned approach, no smoke, and working at night when the bees are calmest. By the end of this video, you'll see how we safely extract every bee, relocate them to their new home, and learn a few fascinating facts about why bees choose small cavities like this to build their nests. So let's get started. Working with the Scutellata honeybee means planning is everything. These bees can be highly defensive during the day, but at night they settle into the nest, making it the perfect time to start the removal. The first step is containment. I introduce a light through the entrance of the cat house, shining it on the nest without disturbing the bees. With the bees contained, I begin the vacuum process without exposing the nest. No smoke is needed. Smoke has the effect of disrupting the bees' normal cascade of defense responses when they perceive their nest as being invaded. But it also moves the bees from the source of the smoke, which in this case would result in me having to chase them around this cat box. The vacuum is set at a low suction to ensure the bees are collected safely. Once most of the bees are inside the vacuum, carefully open the cat house. It's a beautiful nest, and now I can see the full extent of their comb structure. Continue vacuuming the remaining bees while inspecting the hive. Scutellata bees build their nests rapidly, and within just a few months a small cavity like this can be completely filled. Now it's time for the most delicate part, removing the comb. As I cut each section, I vacuum in between to ensure no bees are left behind. This comb is really new, and that means it can be quite brittle and it can break quite easily. These ones I'm actually taking to a location where I've got concrete hives, so I won't even use this box. I'm going to put them into a concrete box here. Every piece of comb is placed into frames, preserving their structure so the colony can continue growing in their new home. This step is crucial. By transferring the brood comb, we ensure that the next generation of bees will hatch in their new hive, giving them the best chance of survival. With all the comb removed and the bees safely contained, I head to the apiary. Here, I place the comb-filled frames into a bee bunker hive, an ideal space for their relocation. Finally, I release the vacuum bees onto the nest, allowing them to reunite with their brood and reform a colony. This was a perfect, systematic removal. Zero smoke, zero damage, and 100% of the bees saved. The colony now has a safe new home, and we've once again proven that with the right approach, even our aggressive bees can be relocated safely. Every bee removal offers something different, and this one was no exception. If you want to see more bee removals like this, check out this playlist here. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our mission to save our bees.